Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to see this channel, please do subscribe to my channel because you'll be getting more interesting and helpful videos from me that is going to help your skin and your body naturally. The remedy I'm about to show you right now is very cheap to get and easy to prepare. It's going to help you to achieve a more younger looking skin and radiant skin. It's going to help minimize all fine lines and wrinkles on your face and also do wonders to your skin, especially if you are getting on in age and you want to achieve a more radiant and younger looking skin and also control that wrinkles and fine lines. Keep watching, and this video is really made for you, and let's get to it. So what you need first is a small mixing plate with a spoon, and here I have baking soda. Baking soda is not only a good exfoliator, it whitens the skin and also contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that will help reduce the reoccurrence of pimples and acne. And here we'll be needing only 2 tablespoons of it. The next ingredients I'll be using is coconut oil. I prepared this coconut oil and I will drop a link of how I prepared it in the description box. So coconut oil is used in many natural face products. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties and also contains vitamin E and healthy fats, which help to make the skin smooth and moisturized. We'll be adding 2 teaspoons of it. Once you are done adding the 2 ingredients, the next thing to do is to stir very well until all the lumps are completely dissolved. At this point, if you have not gotten a paste consistency, you might want to add 1 more teaspoon of coconut oil. And now the mixture is ready to be applied on my face. So I've applied it on my face and I'll be giving it 15 minutes before I can go wash it off. So this is how you apply it, and you leave it on your face for 15 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back and my face feels so moisturized and so smooth. I would like you to give it a try. It's safe for all skin types, and also you need to apply it 2 to 3 times weekly to achieve faster and better results. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.